Today I will show you how to create cool trending AI images. Open Google, write bing.com/create. Write your prompt here that I've given you in the description box. Simply change the name that you want in the image. Click on Create button. This AI will create best images for you. Select the images that you want. Click on Download button. Your AI image is ready now. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me for more such tutorials.